Hello viewers, sore throat is usually caused by virus infection. It may also caused by the bacteria, usually streptococcus A bacteria. Sore throat or tonsillitis may be associated with seasonal change also. Patients with severe sore throat and fever with high rise of temperature maybe occurs. Antibiotics are not useful in viral cause. But home remedies are often useful in the treatment of sore throat. Salt water gargle with warm water 2 times a day is very effective, and a cup of raw tea is also helpful. Honey is also useful for soothing your throat and for immunoboosting. You can also take some OTC drug like paracetamol, acetaminophen for pain relief. Thank you. Please subscribe.